Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. I am super excited. We have a new subscription to Unbox. As you can see from the description below, we're going to be unboxing Succulents monthly. If I don't drop my tablet here, it is their crate joy, so I do have it pulled up here so I can make sure to give you all the correct information. And I think the idea of this is so awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and read a little bit here. It says, effortless beauty. We are gardeners, friends, and family. We believe in sharing the beauty of plants. We work hard and get dirty often, but at the root of it all, we are all plant lovers. Each succulent box is assembled as if we were receiving it ourselves. We know what gardeners love because we are gardeners. This comes with unique containers, gift quality packaging, 100% satisfaction guarantee, healthy plants. It says makes a great gift, and I just thought this was super awesome. So I will put a link down below to their Crate Joy site if you would like to sign up. And plans do start as low as $10.41 a month. They do have air plants as well. But this guy came in today and I can't wait to open it. But also it says to open immediately. It's dark in here. So I think this is super cute. And like I said, I cannot wait to see what is in here. I'm going to be very, very careful when we open it, because obviously I know there are plants in here. So I know this is a little bit different than what we normally do here, but I just really thought that you guys would like to see something different and, you know, enjoy something like this. So let's take a look here. I'm like so excited. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like when we open it. And it looks like they have put in here, which I think is super awesome because succulents do typically like heat. It looks like they have put in a little, they have like a heater pouch to make sure they stay warm. Okay. That right there to me is like, yes. Okay. I'm trying to be like super, super careful. All right. And it even says carefully remove packaging. Okay. All right. So I actually just kind of pulled up on the card that is taped here. Like I said, it says carefully remove packaging to get it up out of the box. And this says about me. A crassula. It's a very large genus of succulents native to South Africa. This genus consists of such a vast range in species, just size alone starts at small 1-inch succulents to 6-foot shrubs. For happy plants, 60 to 80 degrees, 3 to 5 hours of bright light, allow soil to dry between waterings. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to be so careful. I don't want to like damage the plant. Because I have all expectations that it is going to be gorgeous. Okay, and they've put like some moss around here, like to keep it, I think, protected and stuff in shipping. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. This really is adorable. And it is in like the cutest little ceramic planter. You guys, look. Oh, this is adorable. I love that. And it looks like there's 3 of them in here. How cute. This is so precious. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna stick this back here because I don't want to tear it up. All right, so let's take a look at our other ones. And this one says, about me. Euphorbia is the 4th largest genus of flowering plant and one of the most diverse genuses in all the plant kingdom. Euphorbia succulents from the deserts of southern Africa and Madagascar have evolved physical characteristics and forms similar to cacti. It says for happy plant, 60 to 90 degrees, 4 to 6 hours of bright light, and allow soil to dry between waterings. All right, so let's take a look at this guy as well. Okay, this is so stinking cute. Do you guys see this? Look at this little guy. Oh my gosh. And it's got some blooms right here. Oh, y'all, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put these like on my kitchen windowsill. These are so beautiful. Oh, okay. We're gonna take a look at the last guy. I'm loving this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. And you can tell that they definitely care and take pride in their products. I mean, between the bubble wrap and then the moss, the little heat pack in there for shipping, it's just, this is also one of the Chrysula, kind of like the first one we did, so everything is the same for that. So let's take a look here. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. This guy is like so unique and so awesome looking. And so is the container. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. How cute. Oh my goodness, like, I am like so happy. That is so different. I've never seen anything like that. How awesome is that? And this container is just, like I said, it is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes. Succulents monthly. Yes. I mean, this is stunning. Like, Like I said, you can definitely tell they care about these plants. They take pride in their work, and what you receive is gorgeous. I mean, this little guy, this planter is precious. This one, again, the planter, they're all ceramic. They're cute as pie. He already has a little bloom on him. And then we have, then we have this first guy here who is super cute. These are going to look so cute on my kitchen windowsill, and they're going to be loved and watered when needed. And they will get the perfect amount of sun there at my kitchen window. And I just, oh my gosh, you guys, these are all so cute. I'm like, I can't pick a favorite. I think they're all gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys love succulents? Like I said, I will put a link for Succulents Monthly down below. So if you would like to sign up and get you some beautiful succulents in some cute containers, the cute little, like I said, they're ceramic and they're perfect size. They're just gorgeous. So all around, I'm very happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, like I said, please leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.